Yo, what's good, y'all? You already know the vibes. It's your boy Slurry, and today we are installing the Z1 coder intakes on there. Sorry for the shaky camera, bro. I don't have a stabilizer in my lens, so it's like kind of wobbly a little bit. But you know, I'm gonna get it one day. These shits look so nice, bro. I didn't take them out yet, but I'll show y'all when we get there. But we are installing these shits on the Z, looking hella sexy, man. Yeah, she's pretty fucking dirty right now. She's got a whole bunch of water spots and fucking bug guts and shit. But yeah, basically for the first part, all you gotta do is right back here, you pull this back and there's gonna be a 10 mil under it. 10 mil right there. And then it's the same on the other side as well. 10 mil right here. Right there. After you take off the 10 mil, it will be the front bumper bolts right here, and then you got to take off the ones underneath, and I believe it's like 10 of them underneath. So I'm gonna get to doing that first, and then I'll hit y'all with the next step. All right, and I got all of the bolts off, and the next step is to just pop it off from right here. Then go on this side, do the same thing. Very careful, just like that. It'll pop off. There you go. And yeah, front bumper's off. We can start taking off the strut bar. It's literally just 14mm bolts, but you need a deep socket, a deep 14 to take these out. Two little clip-ins that you get out with a flathead. We just took off the strut brace, and now we finna take off this little cover. They're all 10mm, I'm pretty sure. I actually have to remove this as well. I forgot to say that, but yeah. We gotta remove this little piece right here. Just pop these out with a little flathead. Alright, we good, y'all. Just took them off. I'm actually gonna clean my shit, just so I don't get like too much dirt and shit spreading everywhere. Cause that shit looks caca, like ew, bruh. I'm gonna wipe down like down here and stuff too, just so it's like clean for like the air intakes and stuff. And bam. See a little buddy. Sound a little light. Just had to make sure it was clean, no freaking dirt and shit. Got the waffle maker looking all nice, oh yeah, boy. This fucking cover is so ugly, I swear to God.
I'm ugly.
You're ugly and what?
Square?
No, proud.
I'm ugly and I'm proud.
Good. Say it louder.
I'm ugly and I'm proud.
Louder.
I'm ugly and I'm proud.
Louder.
I'm ugly and I'm proud. I am ugly and I'm proud. I'm ugly and I'm proud.
Is that what he calls it?
We on to removing the MAF sensors. So you just gotta unplug them from right here and then pop them out. Do that on both sides. Be careful not to break them. Don't pull from the wires. Just pull straight from the actual sensor. And yeah, after we do that, we can get a 7mm or Phillips head and take out the bolts for the actual MAF sensor and then take it out. All right, we got the MAF sensors out, all nice and clean, and I put them on a little clean microfiber. But yeah, next step is to just start freaking ripping this old ass intake apart. Literally just this clamp right here, this clamp, and then this bolt, 10mm. Oh, what's on my leg? Bolt, clamps. And then I think right here, this stock piece right here, I think that's a 10mm as well. You gotta reuse these little clamps right here. I'm gonna get back to y'all once I have like basically the air boxes done. Old shits are out, and the new ones about to get put in, baby. I'm gonna clean this again though, like down there, so it's like a nice clean area. Doesn't look so nasty and shit. Alright, she's a little bit cleaner now, and the next step is to take off this trash ass thing. It's literally just a 110mm bolt right there, and then there's another one right there. Let's take that shit off. The next step, make this hole a little bigger for the piping so it can fit flush and not be squished and shit. So for that, I'm using a Dremel tool. I'm just gonna try to shave down the sides a little bit along this whole side right here. Just be careful not to hit any of these lines and shit. A lot of people use like a drill with an attachment on it, and they just literally like cut a hole straight through the shit. But I'm just gonna use the Dremel because that's all I really have right now. But yeah, that's the next step. And then after that, we can get to installing the actual Z1 parts. All right, it's been a while. Let me give y'all a freaking update. I was doing this one. It was going pretty good. The hole is like pretty big. I'm not gonna lie. Like that little piece right there is bothering me a little bit, but it's all right. My fucking Dremel broke. Like it literally, let me show y'all. Like this little piece in here, the button, you like push this to like unscrew this, and this shit freaking broke. And it's freaking like wedged in there for some reason. I have no idea how that happened. I had like no other tools, and I have like nobody's at the house, so I can't like go buy another Dremel, and I don't have no drill bits. So this was my last resort, this big ass saw, and I'm making it work. I cut a line right at the bottom, and then I cut a line right at the top, and then I'm gonna try to just take these pliers and just like rip that bitch out. So hopefully that works. That's where I'm at. I'm at like little ghetto point right now. Hopefully I can get this shit. Let me get back to y'all after I finish this. Little update on where we're at. Like, look at that. That's... How the fuck? I didn't think it was gonna work, to be honest with you. Like, I didn't know how sharp this was until I actually started cutting this shit, and I was like, yo, god damn, this is cutting like butter. This is my dad's saw, bro. It's it's literally like over 10 years old. I don't even know when he bought it. So I'm gonna finish up cutting with this saw, and then yeah, we can get back to installing the parts properly. Alright, I finally finished cutting the holes. They look pretty good. I fuck with them. Well, they don't look good, but like, you know, the clearance is good. Did that shit with a fucking saw. And then yeah, that side. The clearance is like hella good on this side. The clearance is good on this side. The only thing with this side is that there's like a little metal frame right there. You see that little red piece right there? I thought the whole time it was hitting on like one of these edges, but it was literally just hitting on that. So we good. We big vibing. Yeah, I'm gonna get the Z1 shit all linked together. I'm gonna clean the Z1 couplers with rubbing alcohol just so they're nice and clean. No random dust and shit is in there. And then yeah, I'm gonna put each side together, and then we can install it on the car. And we are finally fucking finished. Holy shit, that took way longer than I expected, bruh. I was having problems with this mount bar right here. I still gotta bolt this back on, but we're basically done. But oh my god, it looks so sick. This bracket right here, I literally had to like push it up a little bit so it wasn't like really hitting on anything right here. But besides that, we should be good. Let's get a cool start for this shit. I'm ready for this. Sounds good. We did get a check engine light though. I'll probably clear it and hopefully it goes away. Yo, it sounds good. Oh, it's raining. Oh fuck, hold up. Alright, she's not fully put back together, but I just had to put the bumper back on because it started raining and I didn't want to be out here and shit when it just started pouring with the cold air intakes just put on. When I did start it, the check engine light came on and it was having a rough idle, and I thought I fucked something up, but I just forgot to plug in one of the MAF sensors. So I plugged it in and it sounds like she's running hella good, not gonna lie. I wanna give it a little rev. Yeah, I'm gonna give it a little rev. I wanna hear how it sounds now. Sadly, I won't be able to get a driver right now because of the rain, but tomorrow I got y'all with a video. Damn. Yo, it sounds hella good. It sounds like way louder. Like it sounds like it's able to breathe, bruh. That's crazy. Next thing up is the tune. And we coolin'. But yeah, that's gonna be it for today. I'm finna catch y'all tomorrow when I'm able to cruise and drive with it and get my reaction and shit. So yeah, I'll see y'all tomorrow. Peace.